In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WordPress website with Hostinger. Now this will be a step-by-step guide which will explain everything that you need to know. And I'm going to create a website live with you on video. So what you need to do is go to hostinger.co.uk. You can either go here by Googling it, typing in the web address, or I'll leave a link in the description below for you to click on. Now what you can do is you can either click claim deal here, or if you go to WordPress and then manage WordPress, you'll see all of their other deals. Now, the chances are the deal might be similar priced as what you're seeing, but it could also be different depending on if they're running any promotion and what type of year you're looking at. So if you go ahead and click claim deal, it will take you to their plans. Now, by default, they have 3 plans. As a beginner, I would only recommend 2, and that is going to be either their premium plan or the business plan. Now, they are kind of similar priced, but if you get the business plan, you are going to get more monthly visits. Now, each of these plans allows you to create up to 100 websites, but the basic premium plan is only going to allow 25,000 visits per month. Now, you can upgrade this when you get close to this. So if you don't anticipate your website to get that many views straight away, because that is quite a lot for a new website, then I would just recommend the premium plan. And what I would do is I would pay on a monthly fee. You can also get the payment out of the way and pay for a longer term, like 48 months here. Now, okay, whichever one you go with, just make sure you read what you get with them. You all get a free domain name and you get free domain privacy with it. So I'm going to click on the premium one and choose that plan. That will take you to the cart and it's going to ask you what period you want to pay for. Now, like I said here, if you pay for 48 months up front, it's going to significantly reduce your bill. So here you've got for 48 months, which is 2 years, you've got a whole website and a domain name for £124 and it's discounted 78%. Now, if you only wanted to pay for that month by month, you're going to pay £12 per month. Now, obviously, it's going to work out dearer in the long run, but maybe you just want to try it for a month or even 12, and 12 months is only £33, just to see if you get on with it, just to see if you like it. Now, again, you get a free domain, so go ahead and choose a plan, click continue, and you can go through the billing process. Now, once you've gone through the payment processing, it will then take you to this window and it's going to ask you, do you want to choose either WordPress or their AI website builder? Now, it's a bit different for me because I've already got the domain, but it's going to give you the option here. Now, it's a bit different for me because I've already got the domain, but it is going to give you the option of WordPress or Hostinger website builder. If you want to choose WordPress and build a website with WordPress, then obviously select it when you can see it. It will then go through this quiz or questionnaire to help you set it up. So who is this website for? I'm going to click myself. We'll click next. It's then going to ask you to create your login details for the WordPress account. It's going to include your email address, which you use to sign up for your Hostinger account. You can do that on the payment page, by the way. And then you also need to enter in an admin password. This password will be used to log into your WordPress website, so please do remember it. Once you've entered that in, click next, and it's going to ask you what type of website you want to build. I'm going to personally click create blank site because I want to create from a template and I want it blank and fresh. So we'll do that. Now it's asking me for my domain name. It might already know yours because you've already registered it with a plan, but I'm just going to enter in a domain here, learningforaliving.com. And what it will do then is it will start to install WordPress. Now, Hostinger is really intuitive. It's really easy to understand. And once you've bought your domain, they make all the steps really easy to follow. So don't hesitate to really start your journey here and launch that business you've been thinking of. Again, the link will be in the description. Okay, so once it's installed WordPress, here will be your backend and it will most likely take you here. From here, you can go to your WordPress admin page and that should open up your obviously admin area of WordPress. By default, if you wanted to get back to this, I can show you how to do that. You can do it in a couple of ways, but here we are inside of WordPress. Now here you've got your domain, and if you click on your domain, it will obviously take you to your website, right? Now what we can do is we can first add a theme. We can start to add content, and then I'll show you how you can get here in the future, because obviously you want to come back and edit it. So first we'll go to appearance on the left, and this is inside of the WordPress dashboard. And everything that we edit now is going to be separate to Hostinger. It's going to be within WordPress. We just use Hostinger to host WordPress. So we can go to themes, we can go add new theme, and then you can choose from all of the popular themes. And you can also buy some themes as well and import them. I'm going to just install this Bloxley theme. We'll click install, and that should then add them. Don't forget to activate the theme. Now you can preview what the theme looks like, but if you go ahead and hover over your URL and click visit site, because you've got no content on it, it's going to be hard to kind of like visualize it. Now, if you wanted to add posts, go to posts, you can then click add new post, and you can go ahead and then write a post via this block. Now, this isn't going to be an in-depth WordPress tutorial, but I'm going to show you some more stuff here. You've also got pages. If you go to all pages, you can add like a contact us page, a home page, and so on. One last thing, if you go to appearance, you've got here your themes. You've also got patterns, and a lot of stuff you can edit and customize is going to be in the customize section. So here you've got like your general layout, you've got buttons, and you need to customize this, but really you do need to add some content, because without adding content, you can't really see what your theme is going to look like. So that's basically WordPress. Now, if you wanted to get back to this in the future, you could either go via the WP admin login way, or if you just wanted to access it through Hostinger, you'd come to your Hostinger account, you go to websites, you go to your domain, and you can just click on it, and that will take you to your website. Now, if you're not already logged in, you can just go to WordPress admin, and it should then open up the admin area, redirect you from Hostinger into WordPress. So that's how you can use WordPress with Hostinger through a custom domain. I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions or want a more in-depth tutorial, let me know in the comments below.